Hey, what's up everybody? It's me, MsEbonyVee. Welcome back or to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining me today. I do hope you'll consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you don't miss any other upcoming videos. Alright y'all, so yes, as you can see by the thumbnail, I am doing another unboxing of the brown sugar box. If you've been following me for a while, you know I absolutely love this box. Their tagline is Culture, Confidence, and Soul, and they have these boxes available for women, men, and children. It is a company run by two beautiful women by the names of Izzy and Liv. So I'm not going to go into a whole bunch of details about the background and all that of the product. I've done these videos numerous times, so I'll be sure to link some other videos down in the description box below if you want to know more information. Or you can just simply go to the website, which will also be listed down in the description box below. So let's dive in, because I'm excited. I'm ready to get into this box. I don't want to keep chit-chatting about it. Let's go. Alright, y'all. So here she is. And you know I always start, ooh, I'm excited already, with their monthly magazine. Alright, so I'm just going to kind of skim through the magazine to see if there's anything super important to tell you. I do like to go over like the key highlights of what might be included from the cover of the magazine. Let me show you the magazine. So as you can see, this is the Home Chic Home Edition. This is the October box, and included in this magazine they have Home Body, 4 ways to improve your body while you're at home. Definitely needed that because I have been a lazy lima bean. They also have 15 ways to decompress in 10 minutes or less. 4 black girl wine connoisseurs you should follow. I'm intrigued by that. You know I love me some wine now. 3 work from home strategies to increase productivity. And finally, home is where the heart is, why black women need a sanctuary. You first open the magazine, they always have all of the items that are included in your box. And then I like to go look at the brown sugar box beauties of all the ladies sporting the brown sugar box gear or products or what have you. And I think this t-shirt was for the month of August. This was like one of my favorite shirts actually. I'm actually wearing last month's shirt, which I love, 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 love. Alright, so y'all ready? Are you ready? Let's dive into this box. So I normally pull out the t-shirt first. Okay, here we go. I was like, it's not at eyesight, but yes, it is. So let's see what we got going on with this month's t-shirt. They do include a t-shirt in every single box. And I just realized I forgot to change my size. I said last month I was going to go on a website and change my size from large to medium because these shirts have just been way too big. But I didn't do it. So we got another long sleeve. This is the shirt. What does it say? I can't even see. Culture, Confidence, Soul. Their tagline. Super cute. Culture, Confidence, Soul. Love that. And love the cute colors. Alright, so next up we have, looks like a 4x6 picture frame. Okay, I'm here for that. This is what it looks like. Or the box, the packaging, which is nice. Ooh, this is cute. Let me read about it before I show you. That's what I tried to read about it before I show you. This is Good Times picture frame. Again, it is 4x6 and the cost of this frame is $16. There is an option of 6 different styles you're able to get with this picture frame. So let me show you the one I got. So according to this magazine, I have the Pretty and Primed picture frame, and this is it. Very cute. Red and black with designs all around. This is of course the vertical way, and you can also use it the horizontal way. Super cute. I will definitely be using this because I really like it. And these are some of the other options or other colors that you're able to choose from. All right, love that so far. Let's move on to the next item. So next up we have 2-piece throw pillow covers. So of course it's a set of 2 and these are retailed at $30. You have an option of 6 different color or pattern options. So let me show you the one I have. This is what I have. Now I'm showing you, but I haven't even really looked at it myself. Oh, look at that. What that shows you up like sideways. Okay, with the lady faces on it, and this makes me think of Wakanda Forever with the, you know, how the warrior women that was on Wakanda Forever. Yes, that's what it makes me think of. I'm sitting here thinking though, like, where can I add this in my home with this color scheme? I haven't really thought of that yet. I don't have anything in my home with this color scheme that I can think of off top, but you know, I might find use, who knows. These are the other color options right here. So, all right, next, let's move on. Oh, y'all getting fancy smancy now. Okay, let's see what we got. This is a chic at home shower curtain and it retails for $30. There is an option of 5 designs that you can get with this shower curtain. I have Black Onyx Beauty. I really don't want to take this all the way out, but it looks like I don't really have a choice. I'm not going to open it all the way though. So you get the shower curtain rings. And then this is the print without me opening it all the way. Oh, it has some faces with the head wrap right here. That's cool. Let's see if I can show. Okay, so it's like repetitive. So then it's just like another face down here and then these black and white designs all throughout. Very cute. I can definitely use this one because it's all black and white. I can use this in like my bathroom downstairs, my guest bathroom. I don't have one in there either. Right on time. You know how things just come on time? But these are the other color options for the shower curtain. Alright, so I wanted to jump back to these pillowcases because I like keep touching them and like I don't know what type of material this is. I don't know if it's like somewhat of like microfiber, but it's super soft. So the last item that I have is a Cozy Culture blanket and there are 9 design options with this one. So I have the Afro Chic ponytail design. And as you can see, it has the same image with different colors and with the same ponytail picture. Very soft too. This is nice and soft. This is cozy, y'all. I can definitely see grabbing this when I'm watching a movie downstairs with the fam. And my husband has the air on Antarctica. And I know y'all like the air. Y'all ain't turned to the heat yet. Super cute though, right? This is bright and colorful. But I always say I'm a color chick. I love me some colors. That's a lot of colors. So let me show you these design options. Which one would I rather have? Actually, quite a few of them are colorful. Maybe this geometric goddess, but they're all quite colorful. And then this row here. So this month's box was definitely like home decor related. As it stated, this is the home edition. So we definitely got a lot of home decor items in the month of October. The retail value of this month is $139. Now the cost of this monthly subscription is $39.95. So I feel like when you get all of these items that retails at $139 and you only pay $39, that's pretty worth it, especially if you like at least 2 of the items, 2 to 3 of the items in the box, because it seems like each item, you know, is roughly between like $15 to $30. So I feel like if you like at least 1, maybe 2 items in the box, then it's worth it, because all the other stuff is just extra outside of what you paid for, you know what I mean? So let me know what you thought about the items in this box. Which item was your favorite? Which item could you absolutely do without? I'll tell you my favorite. My favorite for this month is actually the shower curtain, because I'm really going to put that up in my guest bathroom in the basement. And I also like this picture frame. I'm not sure. My color scheme in the basement is kind of like red and black, so I feel like that will be perfect for my basement. So those are my 2 favorite items in this month's box. My least favorite, or something I can do without, maybe the pillowcases, just because I don't know yet like what I'm gonna do with those, like where they're gonna go. Maybe they'll go on a bed. I'm just not sure yet. I really do like the blanket. It's just so bright and colorful. I just wish I had a less bold color option, that's all. I love the blanket, it feels amazing. So on a side note, if you're interested in this hair that I'm wearing, this is a kinky straight headband wig. I have done a review on this. I will link it up here above, as well as link it down in the description box below, so you can check that out. Also, if you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at MsEbonyVee. And if you made it this far in the video, make sure you leave me a present or gift box emoji down in the comment section. That way I'll know, honey, you made it to the end. Alright, so let's chat down in the comments below. Again, let me know what you all think. Thank you all so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As usual, I'll leave all of the information for this subscription box, Izzy and Liv, their social media, all of that as usual down in the description box below. Please be sure to thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button if you have not, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.